guys, and welcome back to my channel. So in this video I will tell you that how to make a boomerang video from camera roll on Instagram. So before starting the video, make sure to like this video and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more tips and tricks like this one. So first of all, you need to open up the Instagram application on your Android and iOS. And once the Instagram application is opened up, so what's here you have to do, just tap on this plus icon here and tap on story here. Okay, now here you can see that you can basically make a boomerang video from the camera itself. But if you want to make a boomerang from the camera roll, then what you're gonna have to do, just tap on this gallery option here. And right now here we have this video. Maybe I should have any video here, so let's scroll down here until we see any video. Okay, so let's open up this video here. Okay, so now what you're gonna have to do, just tap on these three dots here. And now you can see that I don't have this boomerang option here. Okay, so because if you have the latest version of Instagram, then Instagram have removed boomerang option for camera roll videos. And if you have the old version of Instagram and then you come here and tap on these three dots, you should see a boomerang option here right now. So now what is the so now what you're gonna have to do, just open up the Play Store and search for boomerang here. Okay, search for boomerang here, and you can basically download any good application from here which can make boomerang videos. So I think that I think this is good. So now what you're gonna have to do, that you will have to use third party application to make a boomerang video, and then you can just upload that video as a boomerang on Instagram. So that's it for this tutorial, guys. If you find it useful, kindly like this video and subscribe to my channel, and I will see you in the next video.